We are super excited about our latest customer review. We work very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident that you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. So just call us at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.